Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya and today I'll show you in this video so stylish and latest collection of pixie haircut in short hair, with beautiful hair dye, very attractive and stylish hairstyling, and many much more latest ideas of pixie haircut in short hair with beautiful hairstyling for girls and women to see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut in pixie. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. The latest and trendy type of cut. Choppy haircut, notching haircut. And some collection with bang. Chin length bang, nose length bang, thick bang, thin bang. And many much more beautiful collection of hair dye. Trendy hair dye, blonde color. Different shade of blonde, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, gold blonde, and so stylish ideas of burgundy hair dye, light brown, dark brown, and some ideas, funky colors. Very beautiful ideas of hairstyling, fine hairstyle. Wavy curly hairstyling. And very attractive collection of spiky hairstyle. Beautiful spike with undercut. And so stylish ideas of messy hairstyle, the trend of 2023 of short hair, messy hairstyle, and many much more ideas of messy hairstyle you see in this video. An overall collection of hairstyling and haircut and hair dye, latest and trendy and very attractive, and mostly ideas, famous celebrity hairstyle ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look very charming. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Once again, Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.